In this video, we will walk you through the Adding Products as Admin in Webkul Multivendor Marketplace. It allows admins can easily add products, assign them to sellers, and manage everything from one place. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
As you can see on the screen, this is the admin dashboard of the Multivendor Marketplace. From here, navigate to the Product section and click on Product Listing. In the Product Listing section, simply click on the Add Product button. This will open a new page where the admin can enter all the necessary details for the new product. First, choose whether the product is a normal or digital one. Note that this option will appear only if digital products are enabled by the admin in the configuration settings. Next, enter the email ID of the seller to whom the product should be assigned. Then, fill in the product name. You can now choose the product type and enter a description for the product. You can also add product tags. After that, add the product policy. Scroll down to configure the shipping details. Select the appropriate weight unit and enter the product weight. Then, choose whether the product requires shipping. In this case, we are selecting that it does. You can also select a shipping method and specify the expected delivery day for the product. Now, mention the price you want to set for this product. Enter the compared price, also known as the original price, to display any discount. You can choose whether or not to charge taxes on this product. It's entirely up to you.
Next, go to the Inventory section and fill in the SKU of the product.
Then, enter the barcode.
You can also specify the minimum purchase quantity for the product and choose whether to track inventory. If you choose to track inventory, you will need to enter the available quantity of the product.
Now, you can add product variants. Provide the option name, such as size or color, and then enter the corresponding option values, like small. For example, for size, the options could be small and medium. You can add multiple options by clicking the Add Another Option button. You can add up to 100 variants per product. Next, scroll up to the Media section and upload product images. You can add up to 10 media files and upload up to 5 videos. Each video can be up to 20 megabytes in size, and the supported file format is MP4. You can also remove or replace images as needed. In the Collection section, you can assign the product to a specific collection. The product handle and meta fields will serve as additional information that can be seen on the product page. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Save Changes button. Your product will be successfully created and it will appear in the Product Listing section. From there, the admin can edit the product, mark it as sold, view it in the store, reassign it to another seller, disable the product, or delete it. And that's it. That's how the admin adds and manages products in the Shopify Multivendor Marketplace.
So, this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.